Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. Nike and Levi's have collaborated again on 3 Nike styles, one of them being the Air Force 1 Low, which I recently picked up. This pair released only at select Levi's stores, and luckily the West Coast flagship is located in SF, so I was able to get a pair. There was an Air Force 1 High that also released in store, but I prefer the lows, so that's the one I chose. By the way, you weren't able to customize these and bought them as is from the store. Taking a look at the shoes, the first thing I noticed in hand is that the denim is really nice. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap, which is what I was worried about. The shoe holds its shape well, and the craftsmanship is top notch. The stitching isn't slanted, the soles aren't warped, and I didn't see any factory stains. It seems like Nike took their time making these, which makes sense since they didn't make a ton. The upper has lasered on swoosh and Levi's logos, a new technology Levi's has implemented with their apparel. This totally reminds me of the Supreme Louis Vuitton denim jacket, but these are way more affordable. The tongue tag is a nice soft leather with the Nike logo painted in red. Also in red, the iconic Levi's tag stitched on the heel. Nike Air is stitched in yellow on the heel tab, and the inner lining is also that same yellow hue. The laces are pink, which I'm not a huge fan of. I think navy, yellow, or white laces would have been better. Let me know what you think. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that Levi's worked with Nike on 3 styles, the Air Force 1 Low, High, and the third is the Air Max 90. All 3 were available to customize on Nike.com for about 2 hours in different colored denim that could be distressed. I ended up customizing an Air Max 90 and will share them with you once I get them in. I know a lot of people weren't able to submit an order in time before they sold out. Nike did tweet that they would make the Levi's customization option available again soon. Hopefully they keep their word for those who missed out. Sizing wise, these run like typical Air Force 1s, so go a half size down. That wraps up the video. Let me know if you're feeling this Levi's collab, and thanks for watching.